guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my what I eat in a day, and I've been planning to record a video like this for you guys for quite some time. I get a lot of questions on what I do to stay in shape and what my workout routine is, and I'm probably not going to be sharing my workout routine in this video because it's not much of a routine. I work out here and there. I try to do it at least 3 to 4 times a week, but it's nothing intense and I'm not on a strict diet. So what I'm going to be sharing in this video today is my breakfast, my lunch, my dinner. I'm going to include snacks, any supplements that I take, and what I drink throughout the day. I may show you guys a little bit of what my kids are eating, but I'm trying to keep this focus on just what I eat for the day. If you guys do want to see a video on what my kids eat during the day, let me know and I will definitely make that video for you guys. So yeah, as you can tell, I have decided to do this video vlog style, which is different for me. I've never vlogged before. This is my first time vlogging, so bear with me. I can't see myself right now. I'm kind of just going by what I usually do when I'm recording, but I'm not talking directly into the camera. But yeah, so anyways, since I'm going to be talking throughout this whole video, I don't want to make this intro super long. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any more of my videos. Here I am in my little coffee station, as I like to call it, and normally I would have French press coffee in the morning, but I don't have any coffee for my French press right now, and Walmart seems to not carry the one that I like. So I went with something quick and easy, instant coffee, Folgers. I haven't had Folgers in a while, so wanted to pick this up. It was only $1 for 7, you guys. That's a good deal to me. That's 7 cups of coffee for $1. I pay like $2 per cup of coffee at Dunkin' Donuts, so yes ma'am. My son is currently sitting on the counter, which I need to get him down. What are you doing up here, buddy? This is actually super hot. I don't know why I came inside over here. But my son is trying to get back up to the counter. So I already made my breakfast, but I kept the ingredients out just so I can show you guys what I use, because I know someone's gonna ask. So what I used was instant oatmeal, just regular instant oatmeal, and I put it in one of my mason jars. I also added half a banana, a few strawberries, I think like 2 chia seeds, which I didn't use that many because I don't want to overdo it on chia seeds. And oh, did I say honey already? I think I did, but I also added in some honey and maybe like 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. And that's gonna be my breakfast. And I also had one of these full of water already, and I'm gonna fill it up again. I'm also gonna take my iron supplement, which I'll show you guys now. So this is my iron supplement that I take, and it's all chewed up at the bottom because my son got a hold of it a really long time ago when he was teething, but I take one of these each day because I am anemic, so I definitely need this. So that's my breakfast, and after this I'm gonna do my workout. Probably drink another glass of water while I do that. I might have my teeny profit tea before I do my workout because this gives me like endless energy, much more than coffee. So I didn't drink my entire cup of coffee. It's still about half full, but that's good enough for me. I just need that to really get me kick-started in the morning and keep my migraine away because I've been drinking coffee for so long now that if I don't drink coffee, I get a headache. So just wanted to show you guys that really quick. So while I'm eating my breakfast, I'm gonna go ahead and boil some water in my tea kettle and make one of these, and I'll check back in with you guys later. So I'm still drinking my teeny tea. It's still really hot. This bottle keeps it hot for a really long time. But I didn't put any honey in there today. I just wasn't feeling it. And plus I had like a handful of these while I was drinking my tea. They just taste really good. So they're just a little like wafer cookie, kind of like the vanilla wafer. So now the girl wants a pear, even though she just had a whole bowl of grapes.
A whole bowl of grapes.
Now you want a pear, huh?
Yes.
Baby, come get it. I fill these little bowls up.
Now.
Yep, it's done now. This is done. Back in my kitchen because I need a snack. It's been a few hours since the last time I checked in, like 2 or 3 hours. I had to do like a huge speed clean of my apartment and just get it back into working order because it was getting out of control, as you guys can imagine. So I'm just gonna have a blueberry bagel with some peanut butter, and this is gonna be my pre-workout, and then after I'm done working out, I will show you guys what I'm gonna have for lunch. I decided to make some lemon water instead of just regular water to drink. Let me know if you guys do that too. I love infusing my water with like lemons, cucumbers, or strawberries. Strawberries, definitely my favorite. Now I'm just gonna let this sit while I do my workout, and I'm gonna try to drink this today. Probably not gonna drink the whole thing, but I'll try. Just kidding, I have to clean this up before I start. I have a new couch vacuum that I'm so excited to use. So handy, and just to vacuum up that quick little mess. I like it. Stayed in the bathroom for 2 more seconds. This entire 10-pound bag of pancake mix would have been all over the carpet. It's not like flour. It's not like sensory play, buddy.
I was pretending to be apple.
No!
I was
Probably tastes good. You just ate an entire pear. What are you talking about? This is gonna be my lunch today. I hope you guys can see that well enough. It's just some chicken, white rice, plain Greek yogurt on top, and 2 roasted huge carrots. That's gonna be my lunch today.
What? Is it Baby's birthday?
His birthday was a few weeks ago, baby.
Oh, we didn't get to go there.
We were there.
No, we weren't.
You don't remember going to the restaurant to eat with Papa and Granny?
Oh, we did meet him. Is that Papa's restaurant?
No. That was just for his birthday.
Oh, but now his birthday's gone?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, this is his head.
Oh, that's his head?
Yep.
Good job. Your brother's clapping for you. Hey, what's going on? Oh, you ripped the paper. Yeah, Mommy has to get some more poster boards. Computer paper? Oh, okay, yeah. Time to get you in the bath. That's not chocolate. It looks like chocolate, but it's not. Into the room we go. Now that he's clean, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the mess from the paint. What are you doing up here? Haven't you made enough of a mess? You guys, as soon as I finished giving him a bath,
Yellow.
he grabbed, yellow, a glob of the yellow paint. Didn't you? Naughty boy, I had to put him straight back in the bathtub. Hold on, they're fighting for a toy. You got it? She got it. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna clean up this mess and then I'm gonna start making that sugar cookie. Kids keep interrupting me, as you can hear. They're like running around in the background chasing each other for toys. I'm gonna get started on cleaning this up and then I'm gonna start the cookie and I'll share the recipe with you guys because I know somebody's gonna ask, and somebody did ask. I showed them in my last video, my morning routine. I'm gonna make the same exact cookie. Look at what just showed up. Looks like he already took a bite of this one. That one's his. This one's mine. And this one looks delicious too.
But I want that chocolate one.
You want the chocolate one?
The strawberries are Bayat.
No, they're not.
These are not strawberries.
Those are grapes.
Come in.
These are strawberries.
Corn. I want the chocolate one. I got the. I know.
Chocolate one is bitter.
a lot more happening in this what I eat in a day vlog than I planned, but whatever, it's about food anyway, so. You want to tell me something?
Yeah.
You want to say something to the girls?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
And my mama just gave me some.
Oh yeah, her dad let her eat some. This one is a strawberry mini scoop cake. It looks so good. The chocolate one does look really good, doesn't it? I know you want the chocolate one. Is that paint on my arm? I still have paint on my arm. This one is triple chocolate mini scoop cake. Ingredients for the cookies are super simple. It's just flour, sugar, and butter. And of course I'll put the measurements in the description bar for you guys, just in case you want to try these. I suggest you do. They're really easy, just 3 ingredients, and my husband and I love them. The kids love them too. They taste exactly like the holiday Danish cookies that you get in a tin, and they make a lot. The recipe makes a lot of them, so you'll have it for at least 3 to 4 days.